Let's install some ditch light brackets on my 2018 Toyota Tacoma. Let's get started. So this is the passenger side ditch light bracket. This is the driver side. I got these from my local Toyota dealership on a clearance because someone brought them back. These are CBI T3 brackets, slow pro, and I don't know how this is gonna work. There's no hardware, so I'm gonna install the passenger side and see if it actually works. If not, then I'll let you guys know. So this is actually probably the easiest mod I've ever done besides changing headlights. So the passenger side's a little more difficult because this is the windshield wiper fluid wire. So just take yourself a little thing, poke it in on the left side right here, and then you push it over to the right, push it over to the right, and you'll push it out. It's super easy. And what I did on this to make it a one-man job, I loosened the bolts, I cracked them, then I did the front first, put it in, slid it over, tightened it up, pulled this one out, put it in place, put them in. It was so easy. There's no heating involved besides right here. It's gonna smush it itself, but I'm gonna show you guys on this side because this is so easy. You guys won't believe me, but here you go. So you broke them loose now. Now here's your driver's side bracket. It goes in like so, just like this. And what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna do the front bolt right here, unfully do this one, put it in, and then move the bracket over to like here, do the back bolt, undo it, swing it in, put it back all together, tighten it, and it's super easy. Check this out, guys. You'll just laugh. Hold it to make sure it's not going to slide off, which it shouldn't if you don't make any crazy movements. Put it over here. Move it over like so. Put it back in. Now I'm going to tighten it a little bit. Right there, you don't want too tight. Now you're going to come over here to this bolt. Actually, you're going to loosen it up a little bit, just a hair bit, guys. Like that. You're going to come over here to this bolt, and you're going to loosen her and break it. Not actually break it, but break the bolt loose. Now when you do this, you're going to want to hold the hood. Don't do slight movements, just in case if it does come all the way down. Slight movements go a long way. Put it over here. Put the bolt back. Tighten it up. Well, I'm going to tighten this back one up because this one's aligned absolutely perfectly. Now we're going to come here and loosen this one up and make sure it's perfect, which it is perfect. And now we're going to tighten it up. Tight. Now you're going to want to close your hood kind of the aggressive way. Make sure all the body lines line up. Wow. There's your ditch light brackets installed like it's nothing. And then these are the mid-low profile ones. So you can tell that they're squishing this plastic. That's perfect. All the body lines are perfect. All the way down the truck. We did not mess anything up. Can't even tell. So they are. Perfect. They're perfect. Let me tighten this one up and triple check. There you go, guys. That's how you install ditch light brackets on a 3rd gen Tacoma. Easier than a 5th gen 4Runner. There you go.